That is the bird of the you call it in Jamaica, I think they call it John Chewit. I just like to hear that bird chirping. Just listen.
I pick up my brethren, yeah man. This is Ras Asawa from Accra, Ghana. Yeah, West Africa. Yes, Accra, Ghana. Big ups to Kojak Country Lifestyle. Yeah. Please like and share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. That's right. Kojak Country Lifestyle. Big ups. Yeah. I'm following and I'm subscribing to the YouTube Kojak Country Lifestyle inside Accra, Ghana. Big ups, my brethren.
Yes, thank you very much from over there in Accra, Ghana. Thank you, Ghanaian family, for watching my channel, Always been liking my videos. Lots of love and blessing to Accra, Ghana.
Rasta representing a Kojak country lifestyle. Country life is so nice, yeah. Oh, what a crisis we're living in. Things tough, but we're still not giving in. We've been treading it rough from the beginning, and Mr. Condescending is so belittling. It's not a good way for you to treat a sibling. Me say you have to give thanks for the little things. Sometimes you have to get grass on a little bridge. Mama Earth is the fullness of everything. Country life sweet. Me say countryman smart. Me say fit tread the streets. You are fit tough like rock. Me say country life sweet. Me say the countryman smart. Me say fit tread the streets. You are fit tough like rock. Just thumbs up on all our vibes. If you like the content, just subscribe. Just ring the bell at any time, so you can know when the new content arrive. It's I, Chel.